let's get started. So this is the Kitchen Renovation Project 2021, and I'm just going to show what the status of the project is right now. So my trusty camera person, I'm going to show you something. Show you something. Okay. Come on out, camera person. If you look at the cabinet doors, they're just about finished with those, and they've done an outstanding job. I cannot tell you how many coats of paint they put on there, but it's looking wonderful. A lot of sanding, a lot of painting. But anyway, just about finished with that. They have some more over here that I think they're still working on. Once they finish with this, they'll be ready to reinstall them in the kitchen. So let's go in here, back into the kitchen. And what Danny did also today, and it's actually just one person here today, he did a lot of demolition. He just kind of continued the demolition that he did Friday. Just took out a little bit more drywall there and behind the sink, over here in this corner, and a little bit more behind the stove. And what they're going to do tomorrow is replace this and begin to have demolition, or do some demolition on the countertops. Because on Wednesday, the new countertops will be here, and I think also along with the new sink. So still a work in progress, but that's where we are today. All right, that's it. Thank you.